So welcome back to another episode, and today it's different because we're here on the Courtney Campbell Causeway in Tampa Bay, and the weather's absolutely nasty. Normally it's not like this, and the water's just super rough, and I'm sorry about any of the wind sound, so we're trying our best to catch fish over here. Alright guys, so I just cast it out and I got splashed. We're getting bites, but it's kind of hard to tell with the conditions. Oh, there we go. Yep, that's one. All right, guys, I'm on to a nice one. All right. Woo! Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh, frick. Oh, it's a shark. It's a bonnet head. It's a bonnet head shark. Hey, Mom, get the pliers. Yeah. Get the pliers.
Dad. Yes. Dad.
Hey, don't touch yourself. It has teeth. Alright, guys, we just caught a bonnet head shark. Alright, guys, so we just caught a bonnet head shark. Now we're going to release it. Bonnet head shark release, and 3, 2, 1. Woo! Man. Alright guys, so it's really cool. We caught a nice bonnet head shark, and then line got afraid I lost the weight. The conditions weren't really all that good today. So yeah, we tried our best, but it was cool. We caught a nice bonnet head shark, and I just recently started this YouTube channel, so I gotta keep posting on so I can build up from there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, please like, subscribe, and also comment. I'm about to go charge in the surf. Oh.